trade po tayo. By the millions po dito. Walang problema po dito guys. Sa mga kararating lang. So open trading po tayo kay Miss Sungit.
Oh, bebe, sorry na. Di ba? Sorry na.
Yes. Congrats.
Wow. Kasi
nag-trade ka ate.
Tapos nagagamble
Kasi nag-trade ka, nagagamble ka, kaya ganon.
Wow, level 28. Tapos 0.565. 5.65 na.
Ah, sige.
Hello, Abu ZG, straight Abo. ZG, straight. Good morning.
Guys, sa mga total 26 viewers natin guys, sa mga kararating lang, huwag niyong kakalimutan, open trading po dito kay Miss Sungit, sa host natin. So, sabi-sabi lang.
Okay. Wait lang, baba kita Baldo ha, may magpapa-trade. Up po.
So, may magpa-trade daw, ma'am.
Up. Love, courage, cake, and maze trade. Number 6, you sent to the host.
Wait.
Tama yun si Ma'am Apple.
Wait lang.
Ito yung pinaka-legit na trading dito.
Ay, patay.
Okay na, bebe?
Wag niyo kong gagayahin, guys. Naisanla ko
just
na
wait,
yung
number
kidney
6.
ko.
Na-pending.
Naisanla ko na yung kidney ko, guys.
No, wait first, wait.
Naisanla ko yung kidney ng ng kapitbahay. Oo,
na-pending
Ma'am
ako,
Apple.
bebe.
Naisanla na.
Pending ka?
Susunod na isasanla ko yung sa kapitbahay ko.
Hi, Abu GG straight.
Hey.
Pending ka?
Good. Who should I send to?
Wait, hold on.
Just wait first.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, Big Apple. How are you? I'm okay.
Madam, baka may pang-patrade ka kasi na-pending ako, madam.
Ate Apple, may pang-patrade ka?
Guys.
One courage, 2K. He's a counselor also.
Hello. Yeah.
No,
he's a counselor.
I just play games.
Okay.
I'm from Ghana.
From United States.
Ghana, but
may pang pang-trade, 1 courage, 2 cake, and 3 maze.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
All my coins pending.
Texas.
Yes.
2.5 na, pending ko.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you. I was in New York 1 year. 3 hours.
Madam Apple, i-try mo nga yung sa kanya yung courage, love courage, tsaka cake, tsaka maze.
Trade mo, Ate Apple.
Na-pending ako yung withdraw mo tapos trade ka.
Ipabagsak ko sa'yo, Ate Apple. Okay na, Ate Apple? Ipapabagsak ko sa'yo.
So, love courage, okay? 2 cake and 3 maze sa kanya.
Wala kasing silyo?
I just take the 2 cake.
Silyo.
Just send me the two cake and then I will send you.
I sent the 2 cake, right? Okay.
Yeah, to me. So I send you 200. Wait, hintayin mo siya magbabagsak. Okay, the love, my friend, The Love Courage, send it to number 2.
Big Apple? Okay.
Yeah.
Sa mga kararating lang.
Madam Apple. Bagsak mo sa ano, sa number 6 kay ano. Sa number 6 yung Love Courage.
Paano sila mama?
Meron pa sa ano, 3 mails, 150. 150, let me check. Let me check if I can withdraw, my friend. Hold on.
Okay.